Kabalitaan, 8 dead as shear line brings heavy rains over Davao region. The Office of the Civil Defense or OCD reported Sunday that at least 8 individuals have died due to the effects of shear line in Davao region. Of the fatalities, 4 were recorded in Davao de Oro, while the remaining cases were logged in Davao Oriental. OCD Region's 9 Director Ednar Damdayang-Hirang told over a Philippine radio station. He said that the 8 individuals died due to the landslides. Almost 20,000 families have been affected by the inclement weather in Davao de Oro. Some bridges and roads in Davao region have also been damaged amidst the heavy rains. Dayang-Hirang also said on an estimated 376 million pesos worth of agricultural damage was recorded in Davao de Oro. He also called for improvements to the local drainage system to address the flooding in the area. In Caraga, more than 60,000 families have been affected by the shear line. OCD Caraga Region Information Officer Carlo Becerra said in a radio news report. Residents in Surigao del Sur and Agusan del Sur experienced flooding due to the inclement weather. Meanwhile, 3 barangays in Bislig City, Surigao del Sur were flooded for the first time.